Great customer management is the heart of your e-commerce store because it works both ways, what your customers see and what you manage behind the scenes. This video is all about how to manage customers in FluentCart. We'll start from the store front end, then dive into the admin dashboard to see how everything is managed, add customers manually, and wrap things up by showing the customer profile features. All right, let's do it. Here we are in our store, which is powered by FluentCart. If a new customer purchases a product, whether it's digital or physical, all they need to do is add this product to their cart and complete the checkout process. FluentCart automatically creates a customer profile for them. Later, they can log in anytime using their email or password. We'll get to that later in this walkthrough, but now let's flip to the other side, how you manage your customers as a business owner. Okay, so from your FluentCart dashboard, just click on the Customers tab. Right away, you'll see all your customer details, like total spending, how long they've been with you, and so much more. To explore further, let's tap on a customer's name. So this gives you an overview of the customer's purchase history at a glance, and their personal info right at the top. In case you want to add any label to the customer, you can pick from the existing ones or add a label on the go. The best part is, each change you make here will be updated in the customer profile as well. Now, let's check out the three-dot menu. First up, you can tweak basic info like name or email, etc. And the next is all about the shipping address. If the customer moved or wants to receive their order somewhere else, you can change the address or add a new one. You can also make anyone a default address, and the billing address works the same way. Edit or add as needed. Clicking an order ID takes you straight to the order details. For physical products, you can change the shipping status, cancel the order, and also download the receipt. If the customer asks for a refund, you can process it right from here. Now, let's have a quick look at the subscription product. The details are displayed perfectly, and using the three dots, you can fetch, pause, or cancel subscription effortlessly. All right, let's go back to the Customers tab and see some handy features. If you're looking for any specific customer, just type their name or email, hit enter, and there it is, all the info you need. In case you want to get even more precise, turn on Advanced Filter, add a condition, and you'll see exactly what you need. You can even stack multiple conditions to drill down even further. And if you want to control what columns show up, the toggle column gives you that control. You can also use the sorting option to organize everything in seconds. You know, there might be times when you'll need to add a customer manually, like a customer message you on social media or paid offline. To tackle such situations, FluentCart allows you to add the customer manually. Just click on the Add Customer button, enter the information, all right, and hit Create Customer. So once added, they appear on your list and you can manage their orders, licenses, and subscriptions just like any other customer. All right, it's time for the final part of this walkthrough. Let's get back to the customer profile and see how they can manage their orders. After logging in, the customer can manage their profile exactly the way they want. They'll find an overview of their recent purchases, and by moving to the purchase history, they can view or download order receipts for any transaction. The subscription tab offers similar insights, along with the option to cancel active subscriptions. If your plan includes license keys, they'll appear here as well. Besides, the download section safely stores all downloadable products for easy access. For any inquiries, the support link is conveniently placed, allowing customers to reach your team instantly. Lastly, customers can update personal and shipping information to keep everything accurate and up to date. And that's how easy it is to manage customers with FluentCart. FluentCart is designed to offer equal flexibility and speed to both store owners and customers, whether you're handling 10 customers or 10,000. So why wait? If you've been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.